The Smart Grinder Pro is designed with convenience and efficiency in mind. That's why you'll love having the ability to customize your grind amount for the number of shots or cups you intend on brewing. The grind amount dial will allow you to modify the shots cups preset to deliver more or less ground coffee into your portafilter or grinds container. When you want to increase the grind amount, turn the grind amount dial to the right. Each adjustment increases the grind time by 0.2 of a second. If you want to decrease the grind amount selected, turn the grind amount dial to the left, and the grind time will decrease by 0.2 of a second with each adjustment. If at any time you want to reset the grind amount time to its default settings, just press and hold the Shots Cups button until you hear a long beep. Your machine has now reset.